There's two ways to hold a hook. The first way is called an overhand grip or a knife grip. It is, as you would imagine, how you would hold a knife. The other way to hold a hook is with a pencil grip, which is like how you would hold a pencil. You just need to do whatever feels most comfortable for you, and I personally prefer the overhand grip because I feel like I can have more control this way. Aside from a hook, you'll also have to learn how to hold the yarn. So take your piece, make sure that the stitch marker is on the left side and then this big loop is on the right side. Then have your left palm facing you. Drape your piece in front of your palm and loop it once around your pinky so that the piece is now behind your palm. Bring it up above your second finger, and you're gonna always hold on to the piece with your thumb and your middle finger. You're gonna use your second finger to control what we say is the tension of the yarn, so how taut this piece of yarn is. This is gonna be really key to making really even crochet stitches and also help you control the yarn so that you can more easily pull it through the loops. So I'm gonna do it one more time at a different angle so you can see it maybe from this angle. So you take your piece, it's in front of your palm, loop it once around your pinky, bring it up behind your hand, drape it over your second finger and hold on to it with your thumb and your middle finger. There are other ways to hold the yarn. Ultimately, what you need to do is find a way that's comfy for you to control the tension. Some people are able to crochet just literally by holding the yarn, but I wasn't taught that way, so it's a bit difficult for me to do. So I find this way the easiest. All right, now putting it together, I'm holding my hook with an overhand or knife grip, sticking it through this loop. I'm gonna pull this loop tight, not too tight that I can't move the hook, but just tight enough so that the hook is leaning against the piece. I'm gonna rearrange my hands, so watch me do the yarn hold without having to lift the entire piece. And now, in crochet, your right hand is always going to stay on the right hand, on the hook, and your left hand is always going to stay manipulating the yarn. For people who are coming from knitting, for example, they might feel compelled to grab onto the yarn with your right hand and move it around, but in crochet, you don't do that. You literally always just keep your right hand on the hook, on only the hook, and your left hand manipulating only the yarn.